Oh look, pictures of tools. I know, a real high-concept challenge for your primate brain. If you don't have a screwdriver and a hammer, stop right now and go buy some. No, your butter knife won't work. Lay it all out. Count the screws. If you lose one, don't come crying to me. You're responsible for keeping track of these pieces, though I have very low expectations. See those holes? They aren't decorative. Put the parts down gently. Try not to scratch them within the first 5 seconds of ownership, you absolute amateur. We are attaching the drawer tracks. Try to keep them straight. If you strip these screws now, the whole unit is basically firewood. Don't say I didn't warn you. Dowels, the backbone of your shaky, unstable life. Push them in. Don't force them. If you break one, you're not getting a prize, you're getting a wobbly piece of trash. Attach the panels. If you're doing this alone, good luck, but you really should have called someone smarter than you to help. Tighten the cam locks. Don't just leave them loose like your priorities. Time for the back panel. It's flimsy, just like your resolve. Make sure it's square before you start nailing, unless you enjoy living with crooked furniture. The frame is upright. It hasn't collapsed yet, which is a minor miracle. Tighten those last few locks, and try to pretend you know what you're doing. Pick up that hammer, and try not to hit your thumb. These little nails are the only thing holding the back of this unit together. Don't be shy, hammer them home. 3 drawers. Repetitive, mindless labor, basically your natural habitat. Build them exactly as shown, and try to keep them identical if you can manage that level of consistency.